For the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up, only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs in NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, but we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up, only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Good evening. We are live. Sunday evening stream here. Bear with me for a few minutes as I get everything in order here. Channel. So we're looking pretty bullish here. We gapped up, we pulled back. We didn't quite close the gap fully, and then we kind of like made a double top there on this last push up here, 922 ish, 925, I guess. So I'm interested to see if we end up getting below the point of control. We got the VWAP below that. If we can break below that, I'm assuming we're going to go head down and fill the rest of that gap. So we'll have to see how this plays out. Hey, Angia, good morning to you. How are you doing? I might try to, I wonder if I can adjust the setting of this camera here. On the vertical stream, it's not very lined up. So we're at 967 subscribers. So I feel like we can hit 1,000 today. I do have an account to give away if we do hit that. So good luck to us tonight. Catastrophe 114. Let's go. I had a great weekend, which I did nothing at all but chill. Oh, that sounds amazing. That's like the best kind of day, isn't it? Let's go. Yeah. I like your little icon there. Plan, execute, review and adjust, and journal. Nice. Miss K911, hello. How are you? Tim Core in the house. What's up? So guys, I made the mistake earlier of trying a couple shorts. Both of them got stopped out. I ended up losing $100 on 2 trades. And then I looked for a pullback and I went long and I recovered the majority of my loss. So I'm down 36 bucks in my 150K top one futures account. So I should take my own advice and only go for long trades when we're at all-time highs. You know? Silly me, silly me. Yo, Jim. Yo, Jim Blab in the house too. Good evening, sir. And oil's been popping up a little bit. So I had some prawns with cabbage for dinner, and now look what I got. I got a bowl of cereal. I got a bowl of strawberries and dairy-free strawberry ice cream. All these cats on a dog lover channel, right? What the heck? Is Miss K911 also a cat image? Yeah, it is. It's a little black kitty. Nice. The gap filled before sunrise. Look out below. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I was also saying that trust futures. Now that we made a double top, it kind of seems likely that we might head down there. I'll wait until we get below the point of control though before I be taking a short. Typically, rule of thumb is when we're at all-time highs, we're looking for longs, but we'll see. We will convert him, Jim. Yeah, convert me from a dog person to a cat person. I did volunteer at a local cat shelter for over 2 years. So there's that. I've had cats my whole life. I just never had my own cats. That's all. How much sugar is in the fake ice cream? It's pretty, I think it's similar to, I haven't really checked, but I'm assuming it's similar to what you'd get in regular ice cream. But at least I threw in some real strawberries, right? So you can have a little bit of ice cream with a little bit of strawberry. You've been scratched by a cat? No bueno. Yes. So the cat shelter I was volunteering at is it has a lot of like sick and mean cats because nobody wants those ones, like some that do damage to stuff or whatever, you know, and they just kind of like give them up, I guess. So I got scratched a couple times too. Oh, you prefer fake strawberries, Trust? All right. You cut out as much sugar as you can. Yeah, I know. I need to work on that a bit too myself, actually. So what do you guys think? Do you think we're going to sweep the highs before we go close the gap? We'll have to see here. I'm going to just play it patient for now. Man, I'm really going to have to go through and organize my music all over again because it's so confusing now. Everything got moved around. I don't know where anything is. So I'm just going to do that for a sec here. What's this one? Oh, this is a good one. Oh, there's lo-fi. Lo-fi, GTA. City lights. MES struggling below VWAP. ES doesn't look as bullish as NQ. Trying now, we will see. Lone Wolf, hey. Any new videos for us to see? Trading game in the house. Good evening. Good evening. Oh yeah, I gotta link the video in the vertical stream. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers tonight, guys. Hopefully we can do it. And if we do, we got an account to give away. We got a 25K Lucid Flex account to give away. Pin this message here. All right. We're good. You had a mint chocolate chip ice cream? Nice. Hermione Grandeur in YouTube XX. You're in the vertical stream, just so you know, FYI. If you wanted to pop over to the full size screen, I just linked the full size stream there. Fun movie, Deep Water. Just came home from it. Sweet, that sounds good. What was it about? I like anything to do with water, so you know. Pushing up here, let's see, are we going to end up taking these, making a new all-time high? Or are they going to just form us a triple top? Jet went down in the ocean? Okay, nice, nice, nice. Oh, it's nothing related to water? Okay. Got about 2 hours worth of videos. You still editing those things? Oh, yeah, I need to edit the videos of the parade here. Nice. That's cool. I spent a lot of time moving files from OneDrive to my large storage drive, thinking of installing a Linksys Mint on the blank drive. Nice. Linksys what? Mint? So I have an external hard drive where I basically put all of my videos, all of my stream videos that I download them and I put them on there. So I wonder, eventually that thing is going to get full up. It's already got quite a few videos on there. So Dagger Dung, show me your butthole. Yeah, no thanks, bro. Sorry about that. It's not my thing, but if you, maybe you like that kind of stuff. Having dual boot can run Windows. Oh, okay, or Linux. Gotcha. Yo, Jim Blab. Eyeballs? Yeah, somebody in the vertical stream popped in. He goes, show me your butthole. Gene Simmons produced that movie? Okay. Interesting. Gene Simmons. Yeah, so hopefully nobody got in short there on that pullback, because seems like everything has just been a buy lately. I got burned twice, 2 trades. I tried to short, and yeah, it did not work. It did not work, guys. So I'm down $36 in my one. I won a Lucid 25K eval, or 25K flex eval. I was up about $100 in that account. Now I'm only up 78, so lost a little bit out of that one. You're waiting for a short here? Yeah, I mean, if we make a triple top and then we end up getting below the point of control, I could definitely see us going to, you know, grinding our way down to close that gap. But I haven't really liked the price action here. Like, it just so seems heavy up here. We're just keep pulling back, and then they keep bouncing and pulling back and bouncing. So it's kind of like pretty choppy up here anyways. After the played, Gandhi was the pilot. Gotcha. Have you guys ever tried dairy-free ice cream? I guess if you're not, if you don't have a milk allergy, why would you, right? This is what I'm having right now. This stuff. You tried keto ice cream? It's horrible. This stuff's actually pretty good. I don't know what happened there. Here. There we go. Strawberry cheesecake, Ben & Jerry's, non-dairy. It's actually pretty good. Like, the Ben & Jerry's dairy-free ice cream is actually pretty decent, you know? Like, I enjoy it all. Every one that I've tried, so. Hey, FM Live now. Do you happen to work in the radio industry, FM Live? Or you just came up with a cool name? Ba-da-dum. Did music for 10 years? Nice. That's cool. I'd rather eat ice cream, the real stuff. Yeah. So would I. So would I, Lafta. So would I. Hey, everybody. We got 8 people in the YouTube channel. That's a vertical stream. I did link the main stream in the chat there. It's pinned in the chat. So if you guys want to pop on over to the main stream, obviously if you're on your phone and you just want to see the book map, that's totally fine. Stay in that side. But come on over and join the conversation on the full-size stream if you guys want. We currently have 25 people watching over here and about 8 people in the vertical stream. And here we are. We're pushing up towards the all-time high here. We did make a new high, sort of at the 25s. So we do have orders here, 27,925 above. We are popping up here. Are they going to end up taking those orders off? Taking those orders out here? Let's see. Could be, could be. I think they do want to go sweep the highs at least here, right, guys? I don't know, unless they're going to make a lower high. Not very many points left at this point. There we go. And we got it. And they jumped right through that all the way up to what, 40? 38.25. So that was like a 10-point push right through there, 27 to 38.5. Boom. So I did take a little scalp long there on that other account. I was down $38. Now I'm down 12. Should have put my TP a little bit higher. 37.75 is the high there. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, you're right. Very accurate. Very accurate. What a push though, hey? Just like slapped right through those orders at how many was that? There was let's see. Let's move back here a bit. About 55 contracts there. So let's see. Are they going to create a big wick, or are we just going to keep pushing for more all-time highs up here, guys? I don't know. They got pretty choppy here, and then now they just ripped through the highs. So we could be actually looking to go higher still. This is kind of when trading all-time highs gets hard, because we don't really have targets above, right? Although we do have orders up at 28,000, guys. 319 contracts there, up at 28,000. Pretty risky though to buy it up here. It decided. Oh yeah, MES decided to move, eh? And of course, you sold right before the pop. Oh, sorry to hear that, bro. Oh, that was out. Sorry. That wasn't the one I wanted to do this. Ba-ba-ba-da. That's just figures, isn't it? It always happens like that. That is a pretty cute kitty you got there. I don't know what's up with the... All of a sudden, StreamYard is showing your guys' icon like super large. What's the cat's name, Yo Jim Blob? What else? Hey, John, I'm streaming on YouTube and X right now. But if you want to hop over to the main stream, it's like, it has my trading view chart, which I take trades off of. And then I also have the book map on the side. But just for the vertical stream, just to get a little more exposure, we're doing a vertical stream also with just bookmap only. So if you want to, hit the link, the pinned comment there has a link to the mainstream over there. If you want to hang out with us here, I mean, you're welcome to stay there. Either is good with me, but we're going to be doing a giveaway hopefully tonight if we can hit 1,000 subscribers. So we're at 967 right now. So we just need to get about 33 subscribers and we'll be giving away a Lucid 50K Flex or a Pro. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Maybe a Pro. Maybe a Flex. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe we should do a vote. We'll do a vote before we do the giveaway. Get the chat's opinion. Do we want a Flex or a Pro? That was Gary. He passed away in 2010. I have 3 now. Buddy Guy. Buddy Guy? Buddy Guy, I like that. Mama and Charlie. Nice. Those are some good names. Sorry to hear about Gary. But he's a cute cat. Oh, we got a Pro and we got a Flex. But I'm gonna run a poll, guys, later on. If we get close to 1,000 subscribers, then I'll get I'll get it out there. So everybody get your alt accounts and hit that subscribe. What? We're at 78 now. How did that happen? We went from 67 to 78. We got 11 subscribers already? So it looks like we're gonna get there. I better get the form ready. Giveaway makes people come? Yeah, it does, doesn't it? And it's a Sunday night. So okay, let's get some other tunes going here. Let's see. What do we got? Let's go with the VWAP hold. Mustang Trader. I wish them stay. Yeah, they probably will, right? Most people who subscribe end up staying. Risk management. That's success. Tonight you'll have 1K subs. Thanks, Lafta. I hope so. Wow, I think that's a little loud, isn't it? So, yeah, it's 25. Should be 20. Risk management, that's success. MNQ moving mad, that whips too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan, VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG gap, get full real quick, then it runs and we ride that shit. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one. Trade like an adult. Good evening, Dad. I don't remember if I said hello. Hello, Dad. Good evening. TP hit up 100. Time for bed. Put me in the drawing, lol. Kind of the rules are you got to be on the stream though, Tim. So if we could hit the 100, hit that subscriber mark real quick here, maybe we could get you in there. Good evening, Dave. Hey, Lilish, how you doing, buddy? 188 now. What the heck? We're only 12 people away? Maybe we will get there soon. We started at 167, guys. So we've got 21 subscribers already. Yeah, hey, Wesley. Wesley NQ. I like it. Good morning. Good morning, Angia. Is that how you like to say it? I know it's a typo. I'm just giving you a hard time. Quit working so hard, Angia. You're always working so hard. Everybody knows that high, that lows, no stress. Risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whips too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan, VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG gap, get full real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. 189, 11 to go, guys. We're gonna be hitting that pretty early. This is going to be an epic day, May 3rd. 1,000 subscribers. David, Mr. Mustang, love to tease me, but I like it. You're definitely the most popular person in the stream. Everybody knows Angia, the nice, kind, helpful person. People activating secondary YouTube channels, probably, right? Lilish? I mean, I don't mind. And just watch, as soon as we do the giveaway, then I'm gonna lose like 20 subscribers. They're like hey, I'm Cyax Triple D. I'm not in anything right now. What is Delta? Delta is 4150 right now. Delta is positive 4,154. Delta is like kind of when you weigh the amount of buyers and the amount of sellers when they're buying on the bid or selling on the ask, it affects the delta, right? So the higher the delta, it's more bullish. If it's negative, it's going to be bearish. Typically, you're using delta sort of to find just to keep idea if the one side is in control or the other, or if you see price going up and delta's not going up or going down, you can find a divergence. There might be some sort of reversal signal in that sense, but if that's what you're asking. You guys there over in the vertical chat or vertical stream, definitely if you want to come hang out with the rest of us over on the full size stream, there is a link pinned in the comments section there. We're doing a giveaway over in the main stream here. If you guys are hanging out for a bit, once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do a little giveaway here. So we're getting pretty close though. We started with 967 and we're already almost at 1,000. So we're 989. So we need only 11 more. Start Cinco de Mayo early. Break out the shot glasses. Yeah, buddy. I remember when there was 11 subscribers. Yeah, Dad. I know. It's been a grind. Open the floodgates. John. Yes, I do trade ES typically more often in the New York session than I do in the evening sessions. Just typically because depending on volatility, I like to keep keep if I'm looking for it to be a little bit slower moving day, or I don't really trust the price action on NQ, I'll look at ES. So what does the current order book represent? This is great. Honolulu for life. Wow. Yeah, I would love to be in Honolulu for life also. What does it represent? Like, as in what kind of ideas can you pull from the book map? Is that what you're asking for? I mean, so far the only thing that's really sticking out is orders there up at 28,000. We got 326 contracts at 28,000 level. It's not that far away. That might end up being our target. Seems like it'd be the reasonable target. This is a good song too. I like this one. Skeletor's in the house. What's up, buddy? How are you? Gave you a like and joined the stream. Thank you. Stick around if you can, Skeletor. We're trying to do a giveaway tonight. Lucid, Flex, or Pro. Undecided at the moment. But we're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. We're only 11 away. So it might happen here pretty soon. Just need to gather a few more new viewers popping in. So we only need 10 more, guys. 10 more. Raise the roof. So we currently have 55 people watching. It looks like 53 in YouTube and 2 in X. Hey, anyone who's in X, definitely if you want to take part in this giveaway, you're gonna have to pop over to YouTube real quick. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna put up a little entry form on the chat and give people some time to sign up, and then we'll be giving away Lucid Pro Flex Pro. Does that mean you gives you a plaque for 1,000 subs? No, I don't think you get a plaque for 1,000. No. Is there any big orders below 27,825? Let me take a look for you here. Let's zoom out a bit here. We looks like we have some around 800, 27,800, 119, and then a little bit below that, 121. So those would be our two other key areas there. Looking like, what is this? 770 and 800. Between those two levels, we got 119 and 121 contracts down there. Trade in motion. You like funded futures family prop? I've seen them only one time. I don't trade them. I saw them. I think I saw it on Prop for Match once. They're in there. They seem like pretty good guys. I don't know. I just, typically I trade with Top One Futures, Lucid, and then I do have some TPT, Take Profit Trader accounts that I trade also. Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, you don't care who you think you are.
Live, 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see?
You mentioned that there is big seller at 28,000. Yes. So at 28,000, there's 327 contracts. And it doesn't look like an algorithm order, so it looks like real orders. I don't see any white lines in there. So let's take a look at NQ itself too and just see 66 contracts at 28,000 for the big contracts anyways. I like to double check because sometimes they'll have mixed mixed bag of orders when you look between the big contracts and the regular contracts. So well, guys, are we gonna SVJR 35 trades? Good evening, how are you? I was just taking a quick look here on the live streams, guys, or on the streams or who are live. And we're in competition with Stock Tiger tonight, guys. So Stock Tiger has, is it live right now or what? Is he live? He has 100 people watching over there. I think we can catch him. We got 65. We got 65, guys. We'll get there. We'll get there. Would you say that is an iceberg sell order? No, nope. Those are just real full orders. That's just like a number of sellers at more than one seller anyways at 28,000. Stock Tiger is another person who streams live a lot in the Asian session. He's another Canadian, actually. He's from Alberta. No, Stock Tiger's been streaming quite a long time in evenings. Lilish, as far as I know, those are all just like futures contracts because it's through CME. So I don't think it weighs any of those. I think with some add-ons you might be able to see that. So Stock Tiger looks like he doesn't wash his hair. Yeah, he's a great guy. Yeah, for sure. Drew 69 Malibu. Yeah, his hair looks a little fluffy right now, doesn't it? He has a unique style of trading, right? He likes to add in on pullbacks and then always like lots of single orders below and take profits above. Oh, I missed a couple comments here in the vertical stream. Hey, okay, yeah, I like Tradeify the best just because they have the best dashboard. I just recently started using funded futures family. Lucid is one of my favorites also. Nice, yeah. And then this is great. The current order book tells us how many contracts are there at those price levels, which one is supply and which one is demand. Yeah, so that's all it does really. Is it just, if it's a thick line like that, if you see that big thick line there, right? That's just orders. So those are going to be limit orders, assuming that those are all sell limit orders, right? Obviously, because it's above price. So there's somebody that wants to sell 27 contracts. Now, whether that's supply and demand, I guess that would be supply, right? Yeah, I think that would be supply. I don't know. I don't really look at Bookmap like that. So how I usually use it is I take the chart and I formulate my bias or my trade strategy off of the chart from the levels, volume, profile levels. And then for Confluence, I'll be looking at where the orders are on the Bookmap and targeting those if it's in the right direction of my trade. So NASCAR all out. A lot of midday runners in small caps lately. Action would be filled after the bell. Nice, yeah. That'll be interesting to see tomorrow's bell, especially if we are near all-time highs. Maybe we're going to get another big sell-off. So Lilish watched Stock Tiger live when I could not sleep or wake up super early. I even won a giveaway, Apex. Yeah, he's a good guy with unique trading style for sure. Man, we were really in that zone, hey, for a while here on NQ. Just like keep hitting this like 27,900 level ish, and forming tops up there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in a row before we finally took it, right? Butcher, do you see the fair value bullish engulfing candle between 917 and 930 gets filled? 917 and 930. Well, they've already tapped into it once a bit. So yeah, there's probably a chance we'll at least, you know, if we would have went to halfway with this one, I would say it's probably already been filled, sort of, per se. Let's see, actually it might be filled already, guys, because see this wick over here. So we already had a bunch of price action there before, but we'll have to see. But like so if we're gonna target 28,000, which is way up there, might be a good idea to look for a long sort of in this fair value gap, or at least wait for a reaction, like a nice reaction with a break out of there. But currently consolidating. AG Trader, what's up? Yeah, there's I'm just putting out a vertical stream also, so that we can get some people just, you know, they're on their phone and they're just swiping through like their shorts or whatever, and then a live feed on the vertical will pop up there, and then it's just another way to get some more people over here. So we currently only have about 2 people over there right now, but a lot of the people typically are going to migrate over to the full size stream after that. So I did leave a link pinned in the comment on the vertical stream, so it's just for more exposure, and it's been getting more people over here. So working our way up to 1,000 subscribers here. How many do we got? 990. So we still need about 10 more subscribers to get there, but we'll see. It should happen tonight for sure. The global summary. Hey, what's up? How you doing, buddy? Assuming you're a bro.
Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leveraging. Step 1, don't trade like a savage. Nah, I can't hit by with this spot on the trade down green like, yeah, I planned it that way. I ran news, oil moving strange. Market don't care, still crab in the rain. I slipped on a dog turd today. Bro, what? Chat going off, yeah, we love that stuff. I'll pay 50 on a funded account. Next guy. I blew mine in one candle. I'm out. 53 watching, only 21 likes. Hit that button, don't be. Yeah. Market Butcher live. Mustang trader in the building.
Yes, I'll be streaming tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with Mr. Mustang. Yes, sir. Trying to make some coin? Nice. Yes, of course. Trading game, you breached all your accounts last Friday? Oh, that sucks. Friday was pretty tough, though. I mean, especially if you're like, look at the chop, guys. Like, if you didn't get positioned in the right area, each one of these moves could really blow an account, right? Like if you're like, okay, well, it's gonna break down this time. Look, we got a candle closure below the VWAP, so let's go short, and then it just boom. What is this? 77 points. It's like around 100 points roughly, up and down all night. Uni, hey, good evening. How are you? It's because of YouTube name? Think we topped out tonight? Like this will be the top, you mean? I don't know. I don't think so. Hard to say that. We do have orders up at 28,327 contracts, so I don't see why we wouldn't be heading up there.
Market Butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive.
Trading all-time high and you want to short the market. It's like when you want to poo so much you don't trust any part. And yeah. You're so funny. That's exactly what happened. Oh, sorry, bro. Yeah, I mean, How could you predict that it was just going to repeatedly bounce up and then down 100 points 100 times? You got some good laughs out of the chat on that one though, Andy. Yeah, nice one.
To myself, like be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. And I'm sitting here like, should I say no way? Pull back then, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs in MNQ. That's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random.
994, guys. Six more. I better finish my ice cream and get ready for this giveaway.
Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MQ sweep stops, yeah, does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk.
I mean, everything's saying we're gonna go higher, so maybe an entry in this fair value gap might be a good idea.
We'll take that. Let's trade.
Let's take a look at the 15-minute here. Yeah. But maybe we should look for the 15-minute entry.
We're not here to gamble.
920.
We're here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MQ sweep stops, yeah, does that quick. So I
John M. Joseph. That's true. What did I say? Did I say something? I don't know what that refers to anymore. Oh, I gotta finish my ice cream?
Went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying.
Don't want to waste any.
You got my beat whack. Got my levels clean. Fair value gap. Yeah, you know what I mean. It's my entry by.
You want to study heat map and order flow more? I think it's a good additional layer to knowledge. Yes. Like I said, I typically try to formulate my trades from the chart and then just sort of use the orders as another added confluence. And then, for example, if I'm going to shoot for 28,000, maybe we'll take profits a little bit before 28,000. So it's a 921. It's the middle of that bullish fair value gap. 27,921 on the 15-minute chart. Maybe 21.25, 21.50-ish. Hey, Lam Thao's in the house. Yes, we're almost there. 990. 996. 4 to go. 4 more, and we're gonna get this that form going here. You're at 13.75, negative 1375 for today. Similar to me, I'm actually negative 1250.
Trust you, got my beat whack, got my levels clean, fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. It's my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself like.
See, minus 1250 here. This was that last trade that I took there. I went in one contract, added one contract, ended up selling it there. Could have got a lot more out of that, but I had my TP right above the highs. Well, I hope we get more of a pullback than that but I want to see, like, I'm not going to just blindly jump in at 920, guys, so keep that in mind. Let's wait for a little bit of support in this area before we just hop in on it. Because if this ends up just blasting right through it, we don't want to catch a falling knife, right? But yeah, so a 15-minute fair value gap here. 921.25, 27,921.
We here to survive.
Mr. Dav. Hey there, how you doing? Is it Mr. Dav or Dave? Dave. 3 more subs to go. Nice, nice. We're getting there. One more sub to go. One more. Okay, let me get this form ready here.
Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my beat whack, got my levels clean, fair value gap. Yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry, buy a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself like be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. And I'm sitting here like, should I say no way? Pull back then, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs in MNQ. That's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random.
We hit 1,000?
Woo!
Yeah. Thank you. Who was the last person to subscribe? I like to keep track of who did it. Who was our last one?
So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade.
Yeah.
Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive.
Thank you, everybody. Appreciate you guys. So let me just get that form here. We'll pin it in the chat here. So definitely enter in the form there, guys. And I'm gonna run a little. I'm gonna start a little Q&A. Not a Q&A, sorry. Start a little poll here. You guys want a pro or a flex?
Try to get filled, but it ran away. And I'm sitting here like, should I say no way? Pull back then, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs in MNQ.
All right, guys. So there's a little thing. Let's get your votes in also for the pro or the flex. Once you filled out the Google Docs form there.
Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MQ sweep stops, yeah, does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade.
Yeah. Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble.
Hey, Rod. Hey, thank you. Thanks, Trading Game. Yo, Jim Blob. Lilish, thank you. Chris, thank you. Drew, Miss K, Angia, the Global Summary, thank you. Appreciate you guys. I believe it was me and you said one more, so I subbed. Okay, nice. Trader in motion, nice. Okay, I always say in the Discord channel there, whoever the next person was. So let's. Hey, it looks like we got three people joining the Discord right now too. So what is it? Trader in motion. Thank you. If you want to get in on the giveaway, guys, if you're in the vertical stream, you got to hop on over to the main stream. The link is pinned in the comment section there. So just hit that little link. It'll bring you over to the vertical stream or bring you over to the main stream. And then you'll have a pinned comment in that one that has a little form you fill out. If you guys fill that out, then we'll end up doing a duck race to do the giveaway here.
take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive. Ay, 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 ay. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. 36 bucks, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big win? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Woo,
21 people right now, no problem. I love trading content, so go to the link in the comments. Nice. Hey, 72 people watching right now, 70 in YouTube and 2 people in X. Hey, what's up, everybody? And then we have 5 people in the vertical stream right now. So just one thing I noticed is whenever I run, like last Sunday when I ran the vertical stream also, we doubled the amount of, oh, look at that. We did get a pullback there, guys. Ooh, yeah. And we found support. All right, so I did enter one long there, one micro long on this pullback here. Now, if we get a closure below, 918, I'll be getting out of this trade just because it kind of invalidates the idea of the long in the fair value gap, right? So keep that in mind, guys. If we get this 5-minute candle closure below, what is this, 918, we'll be looking to exit that trade as close to break even or a small loss, because quite often when it closes below, we might get a retracement back to the middle of the fair value gap that would now be an inverted fair value gap. And so you can look to exit the trade at close to break even. So yes, I'm long Angia. Yes. Only one micro here. I can look to add to this trade if we start getting a little bit of more momentum to the upside here. Yeah, so Trader in Motion, there's a link pinned in the comment in the vertical stream where you're at right now. If you click that, that will take you over to the mainstream. And once you get over to the mainstream, there's another link pinned in the comment where you can enter for a giveaway for a 25K Lucid account. Oh, guys, I don't like it. The orders at 28,000 came off. I don't like it. That's not very good. So half of the orders came off at 28,000 here. So I don't know if they're just playing games with us, but just be aware on this one. Don't go too heavy if you are looking to take this long.
Take that. Let's trade. Yeah.
Hey, we got 30 people in the response there in the.
We're here to survive.
Yeah, I just noticed that we did lose about half of the orders up there from 28,000. Doesn't mean we're not going to continue higher here, but just keep in mind. So we got 2 criteria now. One is keeping an eye on those orders at 28,000, and then also if we get a 5-minute inversion on this fair value gap, I'll be looking to exit the trade. So 27,000. If we get a closure below 27,918 on the 5-minute, I will exit the trade just because that's just a rule that I made for myself, is if I enter long on a continuation fair value gap, if that fair value gap gets inverted, I'll be looking to exit the trade. You could wait for the 15-minute fair value gap to get inverted, which would be 915, but that could be a little bit more risky, right? You could end up leaving a little bit more on the table if you do it that way. So
base hit, small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MQ sweep stops, yeah, does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk.
We live. 50 people watching. 20 likes.
Remember that level I mentioned earlier, the gap 917, the order got hit and took it out already. All right, nice. Yeah, those orders coming off up there, that kind of worries me a bit here, guys. Maybe we won't be going up higher yet. Again, we'll be waiting for a closure below 918 here on the 5-minute. I started with small size, guys, just because, you know, if we end up getting a deeper pullback here, I don't want to be in too heavy. Oh, it won't let you click it for some reason? Okay, let me see here. Let me link. Maybe that'll work for you. And if not, I'll just repost it because I did type something, so I'm wondering if the link isn't gonna work. Oops, that was the wrong one.
We live. 50 people watching.
There we go.
20 likes.
You found it though? Just typed it out? Okay, nice.
MNQ on the chart, I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight, nah wait. Maybe not, no stop loss. I just wanna blow the account. NQ sweep stops, then it rips back quick. You miss by one tick, yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang, yeah, we don't rush. Base hits only, no fuss. Look at the drop, yeah, chat going wild. Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leveraging. Step 1, don't trade like a savage. My cat hit by with his paw on the trade. Now on green light, yeah.
All right, so we got a minute and 47 seconds here. Still watching for that closure below 918. And maybe if we get that inverted, this will be a sign that we might be heading lower here, guys. No, I'm still in the long. Sorry, let's just pop this guy up here. We can see, you guys can see what's going on here. So we can just, because I don't have the full, let's just draw a line here. I'll just draw a line here at this, the bottom of this fair value gap. Draw a horizontal line.
50 people watching.
Basically, if we close below this, because this one won't show the, it won't show the, what's it called? The fair value gap. It's that the add-on's not on this one, so. Icy Hawk, long forever. Nice. Oil is pumping. Really? Uh-oh, that's not good either. Evening Star trying to form on the 30-minute.
Today, bro, what? Check going off, yeah, we love that stuff. 850 on a funded account. Next guy, blew mine in one candle, I'm out. 53 watching, only 21 likes. Hit that button, don't be that guy. VWAP tie, yeah, we might just bounce or fake you out and take you out. Gold long, let's eat. I'm short 5 micros, I'm in too deep. I don't get this pump, yeah, same bro. Market said, watch this, then it go. MNQ
But you use a mental stop? Yeah. So right now, I mean, technically, you should probably have a stop in there because you never know if Trump decides to tweet something here. But what am I at? I'm at 23, so we could go down to like 900. It'll be about 50 bucks roughly. But I think I would like to be able to stop out before that on one micro. If we get that inversion, I'll be looking to exit, right? So yeah, Trump, you never know. You never know. That's why I'm like, yeah, you're right actually. I should probably put a stop down there. I'll put it at the low of this candle here. Give it a little extra space, but hopefully we're just going to turn bullish here and continue bouncing. We didn't invert that fair value gap yet. So like I said, a closure below 18 would signal that I want to get out of that trade. Looks like we lost a couple more orders up here at the 28,000 area. I don't like it that oil's pumping up though. That's not good for our trade. Powell, hey, what's up? 0104. Trump stopped me out on Friday 10 a.m. news candle for 70-point drop in 2 seconds. Did you see or remember that? I don't remember it exactly, but I believe it. I do kind of remember he did tweet something or said something, and it was it did go down quite a bit. So
only, no fuss. Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade, right? We live. 50 people watching.
We got a bunch of orders up at 50.
Hit the buttons.
I'm gonna put my order up at 80 though. Just front run the 80s for now. Let's go to 75. Just if for some reason we just start to get crazy bullish for a few minutes, for a few seconds here. You never know. Just get a TP up there. Trump tweeted about tariffs on Friday, and my profit went from 500 to a negative 150 in 2 seconds. Yeah, sorry to hear that, John. You know what? Now that you guys say that, I think I was also in a trade at that time that hit my stop. Luckily, I had a stop in there, but it just dropped like a bomb. No pun intended. So we got 4 people in the vertical stream right now. 84 people watching the normal stream. 80 people in YouTube. 4 in X. What's up? What's up, everybody? Good to see y'all. Happy to be here. Over 1,000 subscribers. Oh, look at that. We're getting a push up here nicely. 1K. It's interesting. I look over at the subscribers. It says 1K. Okay, so it looks like we got 68% of the people are saying flex and 32% are saying pro. We'll end it there. So it looks like we're going to be giving away a flex account tonight. Last few seconds here, if you guys want to put in a vote on a pro or a flex, but it seems like flex is going to be the winner. People like that, no consistency in the funded stage, I think. I just ended the poll right there, guys. So it looks like we're going to do a flex. So thank you for that. Hey, perfect. There you go. Thanks, Trader. Trader in motion here. Subscribe. There's in the comment, the top of the comment there's a link to a form that you got to fill out. Nightshade Eve Coda Nightish Dakota. Sorry, bro. I don't know if I'm saying it wrong. There goes MES. Yes, we're pumping a bit. What we really need to do is have oil just start plummeting. That'd be amazing. Hey, Skelzer, you're welcome. Yeah, they don't work every time, right? So if you can kind of keep a bit of a strict criteria for them, right? Like typically wait for them to be working, right? So if you already seen price dip into it once and bounce and it gives you another chance, that's a decent opportunity to enter. And then, like I said, I usually try to treat it like, if I enter on the fair value gap, say it's a 5-minute fair value gap, and I get a candle closure below the bullish fair value gap that inverts it, then I'll be looking to exit the trade. It's just a way to reduce your risk, right? Or to like sort of invalidate the trade idea. Now, again, this might not go all the way to where, to highs or whatever. But if anyone, I mean, you could have taken some profit there if you wanted. What did we get? Like a 20 to 34, almost a 15-point bounce. So you used to trade CFDs, but you're pretty new to futures. Nice. Yeah, I'm only about 1 year in now of trading futures. I learned about the stock market and everything, trading stocks like penny stocks, momentum, traded options. I traded some crypto. And about a year ago, a friend of mine was trading futures, and I was like, what's futures? And I started looking into that, and here we go. I've been trading for a little bit over a year, futures, and I've been live on YouTube now for about 8 months. So it took us 8 months to get to 1,000 subscribers. But yeah, thank you, everybody. I appreciate you guys. This is unbelievable. Last week, bank issued me a new credit card. I don't know why. Today, old credit cards split into two halves. Upper layer separated from lower. They received many complaints. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Hey, you got the new card right as the other one split apart? So what time do we got here? We'll leave up the form for another 12 minutes here for anyone to get an entry. So if you are in the stream now and you're looking to get an entry on the giveaway, it is pinned in the chat there. So are we going to keep pushing up here? I hope so, guys. I hope so. That could have been a chance for a little ad there on that pullback, but it's a little too close to my price to want to add. I would like us to sort of break structure and then pull back and sort of have a new low we could think about adding in there. I don't want to just add too early, though. We end up, adding too early and then it turns around on us, so it'd be not very smart. So yeah, you're like four months into futures. I haven't gotten a payout since trading futures, but I feel like this is my month. Nice. Yeah. Slow and steady, keep your size down. I usually tell people too, when you're getting close to the payout, that's a great time to actually size down and slow down. Try not to lose all your profits in one day, right? Because it can happen, especially with this Trump maniac, Truth Social, whatevers. You got out of your long, oil still wants to pump. Yeah, it's true. It does look like it's pumping a bit. I see that, Angie. I see that. Let's hope it's just a fake out here. Let's hope it's a fake out pump on the oil. Yeah, if you guys were in more than one contract, this isn't a bad area to lock in some profits, right? because it's about 15 points from our entry area. You actually just got a 100K Premier account. Haven't traded on it. I like trading New York session. All right. What's a 100K Premier? Which contract or which company is that? How dare you call our leader a maniac? All he wanted was Canada to be a 51st state, right? Yeah, and if he wouldn't have done that, then we would have possibly changed government. You know, I think we need a conservative leader in Canada also for a while here. So we'll see. Oh man, in hindsight, should have stayed in that long 917 but got out too early. Yeah, hindsight is a pain in the ass, isn't it? Nice setup in NQ. Yeah, it looks like it's okay. Just okay. Crude is pulling back a little bit here again though. So let's see. Some of those orders came back on. We got a couple more orders up at 28,000, but I won't be looking to get all the way to 28,000. You never know, but I'll be looking to take profits probably before that. So I don't like that we're putting in all these wicks on the top side though. We need a strong candle closure here. After this one, we've had a doji candle, and then now this could be a bearish hammer candle possibly. You're short too in MES? Okay, good luck. I hope it works for you, but why you gotta fade us? Why do you gotta fade me? So 8 more minutes on the giveaway, guys. Did that not get pinned in the comment section? I don't see it pinned there. There we go, it's pinned. Funded Futures Family, I actually won it Friday, just got the account. Profit target 6,000, drawdowns 3,000. I like the minimum 1 day to pass. Nice, yeah, that sounds cool. So it just sounds like a standard 100K account. There's no consistency. How are the rules on the funded? Short already. I like the thesis. We are extremely overextended. We'll see at London Open.
Discord check, yeah, we build that crew. 1K subs, yeah, we coming through. Coffee in the morning.
Where is that good song that Angia likes? Uh-oh. I think this is it, yes. Bank holiday in London? Okay, hey, thanks for the heads up. So we did dip into some orders there up close to 40 there, and it looks like we got a little bit of resistance. Although oil is still looking a little bearish at the moment. So I think I might add to this, guys. Try to get one more contract in here. Needed to pull back a couple more ticks. All right, we're in with 2 contracts. I'm going to reduce my risk, though, on this. If it does decide to go bearish on us here. That's the jam. Nice. Yeah, oil pulling back. One airliner closed in US because of very costly oil prices. I forgot the name. So many people lost jobs. Oh yeah, that sucks. If oil breaks out here, we will see a 104 to 106. Yeah, I could see it. I could see it going there for sure. Spirit Airlines. Gotcha. UM? UM? Uh-oh. I don't like it. No. Don't do it, guys. Okay, now oil's bouncing. All right, well, I'm still waiting for this. If this 5-minute candle closes below 918, I kind of want to keep an eye on the 15 though too. So this one is 915 on the downside on the 15-minute candle. We got 3 minutes left on this candle here.
Subscribe.
3 minutes left on the giveaway, guys, if you want to get your entry in there. A weak 5-minute close, yeah. Pretty weak, pretty weak. Let's see if that fair value gap's going to hold. You hit your TP, Lone Wolf, on your 2 contracts short. You did get in a good area, didn't you? I think it was like 268 area. Nice. Hey, back to break even, basically. You only lost cost and commissions so far. Oh yeah, I forgot I have a tea. Green tea in my Tim Hortons bear mug. Oh geez, I haven't even fed the dogs yet. Well, I'm stuck in this trade for a bit, so I don't really want to walk away right now. Made back about 1250 the loss. Nice, nice. Base hits. Base hits. So awesome that we hit 1,000 subscribers, everybody. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. We're actually at 1,006 subscribers. Now our next target's going to be 2,000. It's not 2. 2,000. Got a few people into the... Wow, we got lots of people in the Discord tonight too, everybody. Let's just do a quick shout out here for all the people who joined. Superman, Rosenfeltz, Andrew P, Impulse Waiver, Todd Horam, Trading Game, Gary LP, Theodris, Ezrakins, Leve Bow, Thorn, Atticus Cal, Kai, Rowan Witt, and Pepper Frog. What's up, everybody? Impulse waiver. Hey. Welcome to the Discord. So we still have 117 contracts here up at 28,000, guys. Let's see. Are we going to get up to that area? I'd be looking to sort of take some profits up here if we start breaking these highs. Maybe we'll take one contract off, or at least start trailing our stop up at that point. What do we got time-wise here? Okay. We have we hit the time on the. I was gonna shut down the Google Doc, unpin message, and remove. Okay, so I'm gonna start gathering the names, and I'm gonna get the duck race ready here. We will use everyone's YouTube handles. So we have 35 entries, guys. How it's going to work is once we win the race, whoever wins the duck race, you have to be in the chat for one. So I'm going to say, hey, what's up? This is so-and-so won. And then you got to say hi in the chat. And then after that, I'm going to have to get you to, if you haven't already joined the Discord, you're going to have to hop into the Discord and then send me a direct message. And then as long as I can confirm what country you're from, make sure it's okay to give you the account, because if you're not from the right country, you can't even use it. So let me know your country, which I think we put in the Discord, didn't we? No, we didn't ask the country in the form. So in the Discord, we'll ask the country. Let me know the country that you're in, and then hopefully that's a tradable country. The Discord link it's either in the chat, or let me just see here. I'll link it in the chat right now. There you go. It's in the chat, and I will pin that one now. Okay, let's get this duck race ready here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, it seems like it's good. Okay, one thing I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to bring over my trading chart just so I can manage it on the side while we're doing the trade, the race, just in case I want to keep track of what's going on. What's going on here? This won't let me close? Trying to scam me here. Okay, there we go. I think last time I went to full stream and then it got rid of all the names. Oh yeah, I got to get rid of this banner. What the heck, man? Okay, there we go. Yeah, I did this last time. All right. Done. 35 people. We will do a 1 minute and 20-second race. Set. And we'll randomize everybody a little bit here, shuffle characters, so we can make sure, so you guys don't think I'm rigging it here. So if you guys type a 1 in the chat, it makes your duck have a higher chance of winning, just so you know. Just so you know. It doesn't actually, but it's good. So Lady Sika Lyric. I think I remember your name. It's been a minute. Okay, media assets here. Let's see. Everything seems to be delayed on my computer right now. I don't know what's going on here. Okay. Anyways, let's get the duck race on the go here. Everybody ready? Good luck out there. 3, 2, 1. You guys ready? There we go. SVR trades out in the front. Sorry, bro. You're probably going to hit your stop loss here pretty quick. Angie, I see Angie's name. Lemix there. Uni in the bottom there. Yo, Jim Blab in the bee outfit, the bee duck. Mills man has got the crown on the top there. Rod also up there. Harriet, who's pulling back? Who's in the back here? STFU, Jerry Trades, Mr. Dave, Lady Sika. Let's see what happens here, guys. 0 to funded NQ. Get up in the front. Oh, we got the duck here, or we got the red-nosed reindeer duck. Good luck, good luck. Lemix pulling back a little bit here. STFU pushing up. Hopefully you're not too early, bud. We got 20 seconds left. Usually the stop loss gets hit early. Oh, Mills man got rejected there. Miss K falling back. Damn. STFU pulling back a bit here. 0 to funded, still holding strong. 10 seconds. Oh, Drew's 69 Malibu's coming up from the back. Oh, geez. Then we also got Rosenfeld Duck. Oh, Van Johnson. Got the W. Van Johnson. Are you in the chat, Van Johnson? Let's just take a look. Who came second and third here? Rosenfeld's and Drew's 69 Malibu. Nice try, guys. Oh, so close. Van Johnson. Van Johnson in the chat. Hey, say what's up, Mr. Van Johnson in the chat. Hello. This trade's working out pretty deep. Oh, Van Johnson, nice. Okay, Van Johnson, congratulations. Definitely, you just got to hop into the Discord there. Once you're in the Discord, I don't know if you already joined or not. Let me know if you did. If not, just pop in there. Let me know your Discord name, and then I will message you when you pop in, and then I'll send you the code. Yeah, sometimes they're so clumped together, it's hard to. Yeah, no worries, Van Johnson. Take a minute there. Just hop into the Discord. It's linked. It's pinned in the chat there. If you click the link in the chat there, once you get in there, I will see when you log in, and then I will send you a message, and then that way I can send you the link for the Discord, or for the account. Okay, let's get the trade back over here. Trade's still working out, guys. What's going on here? Come on. I think it's pretty hard on my computer with having the vertical stream and the regular stream. Maybe one day I will be able to get a better computer for this. So this one here. Let's get our Lucid code up there. So I do have 4 more accounts. So what I'm going to do starting on Monday is in the Discord, I'm going to link a form similar to the one we just did today, but it's going to be up there. So you only have to enter once. When you join the Discord, you can go to find that. You'll enter it one time. And I'm going to be running giveaways for every Sunday for the next 4 weeks. So the nice thing is you only have to enter once. That's after today, so not this form. This is just a special giveaway for the 1,000 subscribers. But definitely hop in the Discord, everybody. And once I'm gonna on Monday, I'll open up a form under the giveaway area, and all you got to do is enter one time, and then I'll be giving away 1 account per week. But there's only a couple things you need to do. One is you got to be on the stream when I do the giveaway. So if you're entered, you don't have to enter more than once, but you do have to be at the stream to get the giveaway. So that's one thing. And then you can only win 1 account per week. So if you win the first Sunday, you have to wait till like the 3rd Sunday to win it again. So you can't win the next Sunday 2 in a row kind of idea. I want to make sure that we try to spread the love out, right? NQ will make new highs? I hope so. I hope so. I do. I hope so. I mean, at this point, I'm starting to think maybe it's time for me to go break even, but I would like for us to break out of here first. I would like us to take the 949, 945 area at least. So ES seems a little stronger than NQ. Well, hey, let's hope ES brings up NQ. I'm going to take a little bit more risk off, though, here. Let's just bring our stop up here, just if it decides to delete the entire move in a moment's notice, thanks to some sort of... Hey, Space Futures FX, how you doing, buddy? Good to see ya. Good to see ya. Okay, did you get in the Discord yet there? Raj, hey, what's up? Did you and Space Futures miss? I think you guys might have just missed a giveaway. Sorry, buddies. We hit 1,000 subscribers today. Super excited. So happy about that. We did just give away a Lucid Flex 25K eval. Just waiting for Van Johnson to get into the Discord here so that I can talk to him and give him the account. Are we going to keep pushing up here, guys? We're currently at 57 bucks in this trade here. I would like us to at least sweep these highs. Sorry. Oh, you're in the wrong chat now. You're in the vertical stream, but yeah, I can definitely link it over there. No problem. Bitcoin is surprisingly strong right now, Nick. Well, that's good. I like strong Bitcoin. I've been holding it. I'm holding diamond hands. Come on, NQ. Let's see us rip right past this 46 area. We do have a cluster of orders up into the 50s and to the 55s. So we just need a little pop. We need a Randy B candle, or we need one of these guys. Let's put the apron on. Let's put the apron on because that's what we need. That's pretty good, right? Fits good. Let's go. We got a boner candle in the stream tonight. Over 1,000 subscribers. $1,011 subscribers. Hey, woo! This was a big night for. Yes, Jason, I'm very happy. Very happy. So we went from 967 up to 1,011. So 30, 40, 44 subscribers tonight. That's pretty good. I like it. So awesome. It's just good music right now, right? We just need one of these candles for real now. Come on. Big green candle with a little wick on the top. Pop the corks. NQ's going for new highs? Yeah, I hope so. We do have a cluster of orders ahead, above, right? We got 30 at 45, 91 at 50, 47 at 55, 46 at 60. Can you lick that candle? It's a little out of my reach. Not really my thing. Here we go. We put the apron on and we're starting to get it. Let's see how much of a B candle are we gonna get right here? This is not enough. It's too small. Let's go. JMO. Welcome to the Discord, Jay. I'm assuming that that's you there, Jason M. JMO. Pygmy? That it's a pygmy boner? Nice. Welcome. Here we go. Let's get another greener in the here going. Okay, guys, now that we're breaking the highs here, I'm just going to go break even. Just in case, you know, Mr. Orange guy decides to ruin our trade here. He's going to wake up in the middle of the night. He's going to be like, guys, I need to do a true social right now. You've been watching for a while here and didn't realize you had Discord. Hey, you're welcome. Hey, nice. Yeah. We don't always talk about the Discord. It's just a free thing for community, right? We don't really do too much. We'll share some trade ideas, whatnot. But it's more about like just being able to connect with like-minded people. Free Discord. Just come hang out. We'd love to see comments in the chart channel or just general talk. And then, like I said, guys, I'm going to be doing sort of a 4-week campaign. So we're going to start tomorrow with an entry. There we go. The real B candle coming out now. Yeah, so we're going to be opening up the form tomorrow, and we're going to run it for 4 weeks. So once that is live tomorrow, definitely check in before Sunday to get your name on that list. We're just going to keep building the list until, for the next 4 weeks. It's going to be only one entry, right? You only have to enter one time, and you'll be entered in the next 4 draws over the next 4 weeks. Van Johnson, are you having a okay time trying to get in there? I haven't seen you in the chat yet. Dave, isn't that a buying climax candle? It could be. I don't know. Let's see. D. Joe and Charlie Y, welcome, guys. You know what? Since we're already doing it, I'm gonna since people are already starting to join the channel right now, I'm gonna put that form. Wayne, I hope it isn't a climax candle. Don't be saying that. Don't say that. Don't say that. You got me worried now. Okay, I'm gonna publish and copy this link here. Copy this link. So in the giveaway channel there, guys, I'm gonna start a new form here. Let's edit this. Edit message. All right, so if you guys go into the Discord, you might as well start doing it now. In the lounge tab, there's a giveaway entry tab. So just click that, and then there will be a form there to enter. Yeah, so check that out. Just hit up the lounge in the general chat, or sorry, the lounge, and then below the lounge is a giveaway entry area. Just click that. Only one entry. You'll be entered in the next 4 Sundays, but you're gonna have to be here live for the stream to win it. So if your name gets drawn and you're not here, we'll be doing another race and giving it to the next winner, kind of idea. So keep that in mind. So. Just kidding. That's a lots oversizing it. Never a good thing, because 9 times out of 10 it goes against you. I would have put 10 minis on that trade. Oh yeah. The bear stock market gurus are really making rounds on the podcast. Really? That probably means it's going to be more bullish, right? Hey, Jane Bond, how you doing? Jane, just so you know, we're doing a giveaway for the next 4 Sundays in a row. So if you join the Discord in the giveaway tab, there is a form, a link to a form. If you pop into that link, you should be able to put your name down. You'll get entered in on the next 4 Sunday giveaways. The only thing is, there's 2 rules basically. One is you got to be the right country. So if I find out when you get approved as a winner, if you're not in a country that allows the prop firm like Lucid to be able to trade, you won't be able to win it. The other rule is you can only win 1 per week. So that means if you win it on the first Sunday, you have to wait till the 3rd Sunday to win again, just because I want to spread out the love if you get so lucky. And then the third thing is you got to be live. You got to be on the stream, on the live stream, to get the win. So what's the most mini contracts you ever put on an entry, if I may ask? I think the most I ever had was 5 minis, but I wouldn't recommend it. I think I blew that count a long time ago. So hey, Economic Pulse, how you doing? Good evening. How are you? Too bad you guys missed a little giveaway. Oh, you did fill out the form? Nice. Okay. Too bad you guys missed. A couple of you may have missed a giveaway in the stream today. We did hit 1,000 subscribers, so we did a sort of a celebration giveaway. So not 15? No, not 15 minis. That was in a 150K account. And yeah, I wouldn't recommend doing it. It's not fun. Regretfully, I did that. Yeah, so how this form works is you only have to enter 1 time and you'll be entered in the next 4 draws. But like I said, you got to be in the live stream when we do the draw to be able to claim the win. So it's a little bit easy that you don't have to keep filling out a form, but then, you know, it kind of gets you to go to the Discord and join the Discord and become part of the community. And then you're entered in for the possible draw of the next 4. After we get through those 4, I'm going to try to get some more accounts. And see if we can't keep doing it. So like every Sunday going forward, hopefully we can do some giveaways. So you have to get in a very good area and barely any drawdown, or add into your trade, right? Or add into a winning trade. 10 is max contracts on 100K, but they ain't tricking me with that. Yeah, exactly. Because 10 minis is like, you know, to blow that account would take all of like 30 seconds, right? if it goes against you. I think I might have been in with 10 minis at the most on one time on a 150K account, but yeah. Yeah, I'll be live tomorrow morning, Rob, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're up $88 here. I feel like I should probably be locking in some profits here, but that's my brain telling me to protect this position. But at the same time, I kind of want to let it run. So my Discord won't connect. Just give it to someone else. Are you sure? How come it won't disconnect or won't connect? So when you click the link, it's not letting you join the Discord, Van? Are you sure? Jason? Yes, I do copy trade. I copy trade with Lucid. I currently have two 50K flex evals that I'm working on. They're pretty close to being passed. Let me see. Is it this guy right here? Yeah, this one right here. So This is one of them here. I got 52,000 or 52,397, so I need about 600 for that guy. And then the other one is 52,200, so I need about almost 800 for that guy to pass. The name of this chart is a book map, the real Cryptomania. How far up is order on the book map? The orders above are currently, we have some that were taken out at 50s, but we've been eyeballing the orders up there at 28,000 SW. You want to try again there, Van? Like I think you won it. I'd like to give it to you. Try again. No rush. My dad gave me a game invite here. Dad, are you playing a game on I think I gotta set up the channel, edit channel here, permissions, roles and members, view channel, manage channel. All right, well, we're getting a bit of a deeper pullback here. This could be an opportunity for an ad. I'm going to be patient here, though, and see what happens with this pullback. You're in the giveaway channel there, Dad. If you want to chat with everybody, you should hop into the general chat. Pop said 1v1 Rust snipers only. Yeah. Are you gambling NFP Friday pre-market, Dave? No, I don't do that. I usually try to avoid trading with the news and whatnot, right? We got for a 3-minute here. Do we got any full fair value gaps here? We don't really have. Oh, we just formed a bearish fair value gap. That's not very good though. So if this candle ends up closing without retracing back to this wick, that's not very good. Yeah, news trading is gambling. And if I am ever take any trades in news, it'll be in an eval. There we go. At least we closed that bearish fair value gap, guys. So that's good news for this trade here. Butcher, are the fair value gaps normally is your bread and butter entries? I always hear you mention them. Yeah, so like I like to get entries off of fair value gaps. So there's two ways that I use it. One is for a continuation trade. So if you know, like if everything's looking bullish and you're looking for a nice pullback area to get an entry, those are where I like to take it. Now, if price is looking like it's going to reverse, you can wait for an inverted fair value gap. So basically, you know, when you have a fair value gap and then price closes below it, that makes it an inverted fair value gap. And you can wait for the price to retrace back into that and then go short to go lower. So there's two ways you can use it. But generally, like on these continuation days, I'll be looking for an entry for a continuation on the fair value gap. So I'm gonna take one off here, guys. I'm gonna take one contract off there, just because we are up at these highs, and if it decides to turn around on me, I want to at least lock in some. So I took one of the 2 contracts off at the 950 area. I got my stop to break even on the remaining contract here. Let's see if we can't get it to go higher here. Just, you know, I'm into taking partials just because I don't like to leave too much money or risk on the table. I'd rather, you know, leave some profits that I didn't get rather than let it all come back to break even or get to negative, right? So because we have been finding a little bit of resistance up there, I feel like this is a decent area to take one contract of my 2 contracts off, and then we'll leave the rest of it. I mean, I'll put it in like maybe a few bucks into profit here, worst case scenario. Yeah, exactly, Skeletor. Voltana, Bones, JJ Profit, and Yojin Blob all in the Discord now. All right, Almond. Hey, good night. I don't know if you're in the chat, Sharpie, Almond, but have a good one. So, just getting back to Van Johnson. Did you take one more attempt? Or are you still here? Are you trying to get in or no? I'd hate for you to miss out on this free account. You won it fair and square, bro. Yeah, don't trade FOMO. Don't chase this now. If you aren't in the trade from earlier, definitely don't chase this up here. We are in a bit of a choppy area. I mean, everything is pointing that we're going to go higher here, but at least wait for a pullback, right? For an entry. The only unfortunate thing is we don't really have any fair value gaps for an entry. Let's check the 2-minute here. We do have a fair value gap right here, actually, on the 2-minute. But again, this is a pretty high entry. I wouldn't really trust this one necessarily. We did find a bunch of resistance up here. That's kind of why I took the one contract off. I just want to lock in some of this profit here. 50 bucks on one micro. Low volume nodes. Let's see. Do we have a low volume node right now? Let's turn on our VRVP. Well, yeah, there's not really anything up here, but he can't claim the account. That sucks. Well, yeah, he's having trouble getting into the Discord. I'm trying to give him a little more time to get in there, because I mean, you won it fair and square, so I would like to give it to you if you're. But I can't really share the. I need to be able to directly message him to share the code, right? Because if I put it in the chat, then somebody's gonna race there and beat him to it, right? So 27,950. Icy Hawk, strong resistance. Yeah, 950. We already did the giveaway, but we might have to run it again. So, because we're trying to, what's his name here? Sorry, Van Johnson won the giveaway, but I need him to get into the Discord so I can give him the code. And he's having trouble getting into the Discord, so we might have to do another giveaway here. Let me try to open up the form again, because I did. So we had about 35 people in that form. There we go. This is a form here. So I can probably copy the responder link, copy. So if worst case scenario, we'll give him a few more minutes. We'll give him a few more minutes. If he can't get in the Discord, then we'll just give it away. Give it away again. So anyone who is joining this Discord now, pop into the giveaway entry portal. Right, there's the lounge tab and then giveaway entry. Pop into there and click on the link to the form and get your entry in. That'll be for next Sunday and the next 4 Sundays in a row, actually. So Discord is such an acorn. Our program reminds you of the lost before Windows. Yeah. A Skeletor, if he doesn't want it, you can give it to you. Yeah, we'll probably just run the whole giveaway again one more time, right? But I do want to give him the chance to get in there. I mean, take your time to get in. I don't want to rush the giveaway, but hopefully you can get in there. We'll use the same form, so anyone who hasn't entered before will get a chance to enter, and then yeah. I'm checking how many Sundays we have in May. We have 5. Oh, nice. Oh, we got down a little bit there for some reason. Got a little spread. Little spread there. I'm thinking about adding one more in here if we get a pull back into this area, and then I'll put my stop to break even. That would put us. Let's see here. So this would be break even right there. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, we formed another bearish fair value gap, this time on the 3-minute though. So this, hopefully we're going to break this level. So I might end up taking a 0 on the rest of these contracts. If we get a pullback into here, we're going to get add in 1. Then our stop is basically already set to break even. Terry's in the Discord. DB in the Discord. Sorry, I'm missing some chats here in the vertical stream. Is that like a liquidation heat map? It's the real crypto mania. It's a heat map that just shows all the contracts that are listed as a limit order on the book, like sort of like a depth of market, a level 2 depth of market. It just shows all of the contracts that are, that anyone has put up on there, and so it's kind of like used as a target, right? So we need to invert this, guys. We need to invert this fair value gap if we're going to keep going higher, which will be a good sign for the bulls. If we do invert that fair value gap, maybe there's a good chance we're going to get this full TP hit over here. Van Johnson, are you still in the chat, buddy? Let me know if you're still trying or not. I feel bad. I feel bad for you, bro. Yeah, so what we need to do is we need to get a candle closure above this fair value gap here for the bulls to continue their move higher, right? So this will just be a little confirmation saying that we're going to be going higher. Hero Zero, welcome. So, 950 area, if we can get a closure above 950. Yeah, we might have to run it back. Just sucks when that happens. I hope that he's not too frustrated with not getting the account, because I want to give it to him. We almost got tacked in on that pullback there. I'm going to give it a tiny bit more space just in case we get a little bit better pullback. Come on, tap me in on the ad here. We put it right to the bottom of that wick there. I'm banking on the fact that we are hopefully going to hold support here. Like I said, though, this could end up making me break even on the remaining contracts here. But if I do get an ad in here, I don't want to take a loss. I'm going to just lock in the profits that I have currently. But it doesn't seem like it wants to give us this this ad in here, which I won't really complain about that either. But okay, I guess he's gone now. I feel bad, but sorry about that, Van. I hope we don't lose a viewer from that. Okay, are we gonna get stopped out here right away? Are we going to get stopped out here right away? Might get stopped out right away here, guys, on this pullback. We're at break even on 2 contracts now. Let's see if it's going to bounce for us. All right, I'm going to copy this the link. If you already entered in the link earlier, you won't have to do it again. Yeah, I feel bad, but good luck to whoever wants to win. Unfortunate that he couldn't get in the Discord. That sucks. It might be hard to see it on the ducks, but yeah, I can check. Let's see responses. You can try to enter again. It won't let you enter twice. So if you did, 15 minute, yeah. I mean, overall market on ES looking bullish. Yeah, 15 minutes. We're making higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, I see your name on the list, Global. I did it twice. I clicked on the one on Discord. Sorry, I thought it was a new one for next week's giveaway. It won't let you enter twice, so if you did try to enter twice, it'll be okay. It shouldn't allow you to do it twice. We've been out of sync with CL since last Friday. Yeah, I noticed that too. Like sometimes CL hasn't really been, it's. I agree. I noticed that too. Do I need to sign up again on this doc? If you've already signed in earlier on this document that I pinned in the chat right now, you don't have to do it again. Skeletor, you got a limit order to go short at 943. Are you looking at the 2-minute bearish fair value gap there? Oh, looks like it might turn around here still. Yes, you're in. Nice. Good job. I mean, that could definitely work out for you, buddy. So we got a few more entries. I just wanted some of the people who are the usual suspects that are here a little bit later able to get a chance to get in. So we have about 37 people in the giveaway form now. Hand farts. Come on, we need one of these. The 44, the Punisher. What's up? Enter the giveaway in the chat there if you want to get in for a Lucid Flex account. In the Qianman. And there's a link in the chat there. Just click the link and that will take you to the form. Enter the form and okay, look like we're gonna get stopped out here, guys. Oh well, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm gonna lock in right to the bottom of that candle. Are the buyers gonna step in here, guys? Again? You scaled out? You're out? Nice. Good trade. Nice take profit. Good job. Good job. kind of want to listen to the which one is it? Do you guys want to listen to the heavy metal Market Butcher song? Okay, guys, let's see, what time is it here? I think we're gonna close the form now. We gave everybody that is here a chance to get it, so I'm gonna unpin the message and I'm gonna remove the message. All right. So let's get this duck race going here. Looking like we're gonna get stopped this time for sure, right? It's gotta happen. It's gotta happen. Looking heavy. Okay, maybe not. I almost added there just because I'm like, this could be a good place to add. I'm already pretty much break even. Okay, YouTube usernames, 42 people now. Good. Oh, shoot. Good luck to the winner. Okay, so I'm gonna just pull this chart off again so I can manage it on the side here and get the duck race going. So one minute and 20 seconds here. Let's shuffle these guys around. Good luck to the potential winner here again tonight. Sorry about that Van bro that missed out earlier. Sorry, brother. Feel bad. You don't see your name, Jane? Let me see. Let me see, Jane. Let me see. I'll just take a quick look. Did you enter on the one in the chat, Jane? Julie? Because we're recycling the one that we used earlier in the chat, not the one in Discord. I don't see your name there. Julie. Oh, the one on Discord? Okay, that's fine. I'll just add your name here. Done. Yeah, that's for all the future ones. The one that we did in the stream was just for today for the 1,000 subscribers. So we recycled that one back into the chat, but it's okay. I added you. Next level MO. Did you enter it? You entered in the Discord one too? Okay. Okay, let me just, we'll add Noi and we'll add next level. Noi, N-O-Y. Next level. Black Gokyo. Black G. Oh, black go. Okay, there we go. Hopefully everyone's in there. We're shutting it down now, guys. Set 1 minute and 20 seconds here. Shuffle the characters around here. Good luck. All right, here we go. We are going 25K flex eval here, guys. Still so close to my stop loss here. Trader in motion up in the front. Caillou and the Punisher 80. Global summary down there at the bottom, number 33. Gary LP3. Who's in the back here? Trading Games in the back. Miss K99. Economic Pulse. Zero to Funded. Next Level. Andrew. Well, somebody in the back usually gonna win. Whoever's in the front, sorry guys. Julie's up here. Mr. Dave. Trading Game. Elite Weapon. Wow Crew. Let's see. 30 seconds left. Some stop losses are gonna get hit here pretty soon. Woo Crew's falling back a bit. Trading Game's falling back a bit. Global Summary falling back. Wayne's pulling ahead. Oh, Wayne got hit hard right there. Somebody shot him with the shotgun. Elite Weapon out front here still. Running Games. Who's going to come up from the back? Oh, who's this right here? Number 7. Number 7, look like you're going to win. I can't see your full name yet. There you go. Lady Sika Lyric. Lady Sika Lyric. Lady Sika Lyric, are you in the chat? Maybe some people left, so there's always a chance that they're not in the chat right now. Okay, I got stopped out, guys. I'm out of that trade now. Just so you guys know, as you can see, I got stopped out there on this pullback. So, Lady Sika, are you in the chat? Say what's up. If not, we might have to run it back again because I know we did the stream. We did it earlier, so some of the people who signed up earlier may have left the stream since we already had run the giveaway, right? So Lady Sika, are you still around? If not, we'll give her like a few minutes here just to say that she's here. If not, we will just basically recycle it and run it one more time. And seems like she might not be here. Yeah, it seems like a rerun so far, but we'll give her a couple minutes. Maybe she went to the bathroom or something. We'll leave this up and give her a minute here. Tell you what, guys, I got to go to the bathroom real quick. So while I go to the bathroom, we will wait to see if she's going to come back. We'll leave her name visible on the screen here just so she can see it if she comes back while I go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. 我吃。Oh, you can't tag her in the chat? Okay, well, I guess we're gonna have to run it back. Sorry, lady. Sika lyric. Lady Sika lyric. Yeah, I see that. It's not in the chat. Okay, well, we're gonna have to go race again. We'll shuffle it around again here. Good luck to the winners here. We're running it back. Oh, guys, of course, I got stopped out, and it sold it way down there. My stop was like break even, and it sold me way down there at the bottom. What a slippage there! And then look at that, we're all the way back up here. What the heck, man? That was nasty. Anyways, shuffle these characters one more time here. All right, good luck to everybody here. Hopefully we can actually crown a winner this time. All right, here we go. Here we go. Well crewed here, running empty. Impulse waiver, elite weapon, trading in motion up front, economic pulse. Who do we got in the back? Wesley. Somebody trades futures. Rosenfeld. Millsman, Andrew P. Drew's 69 Malibu in the middle of the pack there. Lilish, Borker, Lemix, Noy. There's a Harriet Tickman. Black Go pushing up on the side here. Pushing up into the front. Julie there. I see Julie. There's Wesley. Scalp. What's going on here? Who's going to win? We got 20 seconds left. Here's where the stop losses start happening. There we go. A couple Wayne, Black Go, Trading Mindset got stopped. Wesley, MNQ. Oh, James Wonder. Looking like James Wonder's going to win this one, guys. Oh, last minute rejection there. And who's coming up on the top here? They're going to win it right there. STFU 2022-60. STFU 2022 2260. It's rigged. Oh, I don't see STFU's not coming up as a at either. STFU 2260, are you here? Oh, you are. Okay, nice. I see you there. I see you. What? Weird. I don't see, you're not coming through in the regular chat. I hope I didn't miss. Let's go live chat. I'm in top chat, so for some reason, I see you. I see you. Did I miss what's her name earlier? I hope not. Okay. Congrats, STFU. Just pop into the Discord there. Are you in the Discord already? Yeah, I see you, STFU. Just got to pop into the Discord and put a comment in the general chat, and then I'll message you directly from there. Congratulations. Oh, I'm so sad about that trade right now, guys. What the heck? We got that big wick. Stop me out with the slippage too. Oh my god. Oh my god. Of course they're gonna do that to us. Just kidding. Congrats. Just kidding. Oh, it's Skyline. Nice. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the link here. I'll message you in 1 second. Oy. Sorry about this. 1 sec. Huh. Oh, Rocky underscore 96. Oh, there we go. Found you. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I was just double checking the form thing there, so we got you there. So, yes. Yo. There we go. Started the chat there with you. All right, let me just get the link for the account here. Okay, so all you got to do is go to the Lucid platform, right? Select the Lucid account, the 25K flex eval, and then when you get to the payment part, you just got to put in the discount code there and just put that little code into that one. And then that should bring the price to 0. So we did invert that bearish fair value gap, guys. That's too bad that I got stopped out on that pullback, though. That's unfortunate. I'm sad about that. You got conservative and took $20 on the profit. Nice on that move. Nice. Okay, trading and trader in motion. Have a good night. See ya. Yeah, you got to get some sleep before that New York session. So I did enter back in on this trade, guys, in 3 micros here. I'm going to take one off there, take one off, another one off there. Now I've got stop breaking even here. Let's see if we can't get a little bit more out of this guy. Come on, don't pull back here on us, boys. Don't pull off, don't back on us here. Yeah, I saw CL collapsing, and we pulled back into this fair value gap. So I entered with 3 contracts long. Already took 2 off up in this area here around 59.60 area. Okay, there we go. There we go. Let's trail this guy now. Nope, I'm not letting this. I'm not dropping it yet. I think we missed our opportunity to trail it there. What do we got? There's levels up here. Did we get to 80? Not quite. Not quite. I'm going to put my stop here to the bottom of this candle for now. Let's see if we can't push back up there again. I basically entered in the inverted fair value gap. So this was bearish. It got turned, flipped to inverted. That's why it's yellow. And that's basically a bullish idea then after that. So, I mean, this could be a reversal wick, though, if we end up just coming straight back down here. That's pretty high, pretty big wick on the top side there. So big buy volume there, 83 contracts at 27,955 area. I got a duck quacking in my ear still over here. Okay, duck. Okay. Let's get back to the entry here. There we go. It's like quack, quack. I got in at, what is my entry? 949 there. Basically, as we were dipping back into this guy, I tried to get in, and it gave me a bit of a high entry, but right on the top of this this inverted fair value gap. And then as we were popping up, I just took 2 of the 3 contracts off. Now we got 1 runner left. Oil's almost at the gap fill. But I think oil kind of already filled the gap, no? On like the high, just shortly after market opened, it looked like it filled the gap to the top side. Now, I don't know which gap you're talking about to the downside. Hopefully we're going to pop up to the 80s here. We do have some orders above 68 and 75. Yeah, I think I'll open up my trading view chart here for you. Let's go to CL. Oops. Yeah, I don't know which gap you're talking about, but like this would be the gap here, I think, you know, and we did tap it like way back earlier. Let me make this big. So I don't know if this is what you're talking about, but so this is be where we closed, right? And then we opened up down here, we pushed up, and then this candle right there looks like it's higher than the bottom of that wick. I mean, this is on the 5-minute, but 1 minute here. Yeah, so it basically perfectly touched the bottom of that wick. So it did close this gap. I don't know if that's what you're talking about, if you're talking about something else, but yeah, oil's crashing. That's part of the reason I felt like this long was going to be a good idea at this time, and we were in that inverted fair value gap. So I looked over and I saw oil just going down. I'm like, oh, okay. I think we probably have some more room to the top side here on the NQ. So I did already lock in some wins there. About $20 on those 2 contracts, I guess. Not too much, but kind of want to add to this one again if I can, but we'll see. Maybe it's gonna stop me out. There we go. We got stopped out right there, guys. All the way bottom of that wick, man. What are these people? What is this slippage, man? Nasty slippage right to this inverted fair value gap again. All right. Well, we locked in a little bit more anyways. You had got out of that trade at the top and placed a short. Nice job. See no, hear no. See no, hear no. Okay. I'm like, see no, hear no. Nice. All right. Well, it looks like that fair value gap is going to get re-inverted. If it gets a second inversion, I usually just close it or like remove it off my chart. And oil's bouncing pretty good right now. So oil found support in a bullish 5-minute bullish fair value gap, actually. Hey, 70, what do we have? 71 people in the chat, guys, in the chat, 5 people in X, and we got 71 likes. That's like a 1-to-1 ratio. That's pretty good. You guys must be having a good time tonight like me. What time do we got here? Probably gonna wrap it up here in about 3 minutes, guys. Gotta be up for tomorrow's session, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I heard that London has bank holidays, so maybe London's gonna be a bit of a boring session, but any of you guys that are staying up, play it safe. And thanks so much for subscribing. I appreciate you guys getting us over 1,000. So crazy. ECB inflation news caused that drop? Oh, really? Is that what happened? ECB news. ECB Mueller, I expect inflation to accelerate in the coming months. Oh yeah, that's not good news. Wow, and we're pulling back hard here still. So we'll remove that fair value gap. Okay, guys, hey, thank you so much. It was a fun stream. We're going to wrap it up here. I got to try to head to bed here. I still got to feed the dogs, take Frank for a walk, and yeah, and get to bed at a timely hour here. Glad that the boner candle worked out today, though. Locked in a little bit of green anyways, $57. I was down 200 at the start of the stream, before the stream started. Locked, took a couple good trades to get that money back. And then now we just locked in a couple more little base hits. So let's do our usual shout out here, guys. Thanks so much. Lilish, Borker, Angia, Yo Jim Blob, Skeletor, Lone Wolf, Rod, Trader in Motion, Miss K911, John M. Joseph, Wayne, SVJR, Uni, Icy Hawk, Nightshadov, STFU, The Global Summary, Wesley NQ, Ranja, my dad, Roy Stewart, Jane Bond, Lady Sika, Tony L, Nick Scully, Space Futures FX, Next Level MO, Lafta, Drew's 69, Malibu 44, the X Punisher. Oh, yeah, 44, the Punisher. Force Fed, Jason M, Gary LP, Chian Man, Lemix, Trading Game, AG Trader, Trust Futures, Andrew P, Tim Core, Mr. Dave, Rosenfeltz, Van Johnson, Rob Miller, Noy, Gurpreet Badi, Black Goat Gokyo. FM Live Now, Jerry Trades, Johnny 9342, Faisal, and Economic Pulse. Hopefully I didn't miss anybody, but appreciate you guys for being here. Thanks for all the support, getting us over 1,000 subscribers. Woo! And 71 likes on the stream, maybe more actually. Let's just refresh this real quick. 98 likes on the stream. Wow. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. That was a fun one. Hopefully we caught some good trades too. Yeah, we'll be live tomorrow morning. And then, check back for the evening stream next Tuesday. So yeah, thanks so much, everybody. Have a great day, and we will see you soon on the flip side. Take her easy. Thank you.
We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up with the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Yeah, Mr. Entry by tick, pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little base hits. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ swing your stops in a rip quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase sides, but we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. 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 Just stacking up these base hits.
Thank you, everybody. Have a good night. Bye-bye.